Welcome to Easy, Delicious, Nutritious. In this video, I'll share how I make beef sambosa, one of our family favorites. I'll be using 1 pound of extra lean ground beef, 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of frozen or fresh peas. I'm using frozen peas, half a cup of washed and chopped cilantros. For spices, I'm using 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, 1 teaspoon turmeric, cumin, and garlic powder each. It's better to replace garlic powder with fresh garlic. I had no fresh garlic, so I'm using powder. For wrapping, I'm using spring roll pastry. You can also use wonton pastry, and both you can get them from most of the grocery stores. I'm going to warm up my pot over medium heat, adding about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, adding all the spices. I just want to get the aroma out of the spices, so stir it so it does not burn. Adding the ground beef, mixing it a bit to get it sauteed. Adding the onions and a tablespoon of salt. I'm going to cover the pot and let it cook for a few minutes. You can see the juices from the meat and onion have come out. I like the beef to not have any chunks, so I'm mixing it and breaking it. I like it to be nice and fluffy. If you like to add a little or a lot of heat to it, you can add dry chili flakes or freshly chopped green chilies as well. I'm going to cover the pot and cook this for a few more minutes. This looks pretty good. I hear it sizzling. The onions have melted partly. I'll add the frozen peas and mix this for another couple of minutes. No need to add any water to this, as the peas have water. They will be released as it cooks. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Okay, this looks pretty nicely done now. I'll add the cilantros. Cilantros don't need to be cooked, so I'll just add it and mix it in. Now for the secret ingredient, I like to add a couple teaspoons of lemon juice. It's about half a lemon juice. I like you to taste the beef before adding the lemon and after the lemon, and comment below which one you like more. The lemon adds a special zest to the mix, which I love. Turn off the heat and remove the lemon seeds. Let the mix cool down. I'm brushing the spring roll pastry with a little bit of oil. I'm going to be baking this, so brushing the oil is all the oil I need. If I were to fry this, then I will make a flour and water glue and apply that to the sheet to help the sheet nicely seal, so that when it is fried, the oil does not get inside the samosas. I'm folding the samosa in a bit of a complicated way to get the triangular samosa shape. You can obviously wrap this in the spring roll shape as well, which might be a little bit easier. Just follow the instructions on the back of the sheet. You can bake this, fry this, or even air fry this. This is a batch that I air fried, and it looks pretty tasty and yummy looking. This is the batch that I baked in the oven. They're not greasy, as you can see. They look pretty crispy, and they are pretty crispy and smells delicious. Nice and fluffy inside too. I highly recommend to eat this while it's still hot and steaming. Enjoy this with your favorite dip. Thank you for watching Easy Delicious Nutritious. Please like and subscribe and check out my other videos.